everyone. I am Mateo. Welcome back to Everyday English Studio.
And I am Mia. Hello, friends. Before we start our lesson today, I want you to do one small thing for me. Can you smile?
Yes, perfect. Learning English should always be fun and relaxed.
We are so happy you are here. Whether you are cooking food, driving your car, or just resting at home right now, thank you for inviting us into your day.
In this class, you are not just listening. You are part of the conversation. We will ask you to speak out loud with us so your English gets stronger.
We always speak slowly, and we always use clear, simple words. So, are you ready to practice with us today? Say, yes, I am ready. Today, we have a very special, happy, and colorful topic. It is a day of big celebrations.
That is right. Today we are going to learn about Independence Day. We will learn what it means, how people celebrate it, and the English words you need to talk about it.
I love this topic. Every country has an Independence Day. It is a very proud and happy day for people all over the world.
Yes, it is. But before we start learning our new words, please do us a small favor.
Yes, please click the like button below this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more slow and clear English videos for you.
Thank you so much for your help. Okay, Mia, let us begin. What is the first word we need to learn?
The most important word today is independence. It is a long word. Can you explain it simply, Mateo?
Yes, independence means freedom. It means you are free. You are not controlled by someone else.
Freedom. I like that word. So, for a country, independence means the country is free and makes its own rules.
Exactly. Think of it like a country's birthday. On Independence Day, we celebrate the birthday of the country's freedom.
A country's birthday. That is very easy to understand. Let us ask our listeners to practice this long word. Listen and repeat. Independence.
Independence.
Now let us say the full phrase. Listen and repeat. Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Very good. So, Mateo, when is Independence Day? Is it on the same day for everyone?
No, it is different for every country. For example, in the United States, Independence Day is on the 4th of July.
The 4th of July. Yes, I know that one. What about other countries?
In India, Independence Day is on the 15th of August. In Mexico, it is on the 16th of September. Every country has its own special date.
How do I ask someone about their Independence Day?
You can use a very simple question. You ask, when is your country's Independence Day?
When is your country's Independence Day?
Let us practice this important question. Listen and repeat. When is your country's Independence Day?
When is your country's Independence Day?
Excellent. Now, Mia, what do people do on Independence Day? How do they celebrate?
Celebrate means to do something fun for a special day. People celebrate in many different ways.
Yes, one of the biggest things you see is the flag.
The flag. A flag is a piece of cloth with special colors and pictures for a country.
Exactly. People put flags on their houses. They hold small flags in their hands. They wear clothes with the flag colors.
How do I say I want to put up a flag?
You can say, I am going to wave the flag, or I am going to hang the flag.
I am going to wave the flag. When you wave it, you move it in the air.
Yes, let us practice. Listen and repeat. I am going to wave the flag.
I am going to wave the flag.
What else happens on this special day, Mia?
In the morning, there is usually a parade.
A parade. Can you explain what a parade is?
A parade is a big line of people moving down the street. There is loud music, people are singing and dancing.
Yes, sometimes soldiers march in the parade, sometimes children dance. People stand on the side of the street and watch the parade.
It is very loud and very fun. How do I ask my friend to go to the parade with me?
You can use our magic phrase, would you like to? You ask, would you like to watch the parade?
Would you like to watch the parade? That is very polite.
Let us practice this together. Listen and repeat. Would you like to watch the parade?
Would you like to watch the parade?
Your friend will probably say, yes, I would love to.
Yes, everyone loves a parade. But after the parade, I am always very hungry.
Food. Food is a very big part of Independence Day.
Do people eat in a restaurant on this day?
Sometimes, but usually people eat outside. They have a picnic.
A picnic? A
picnic is when you eat food outside on the grass, maybe in a park.
Yes, or people cook food outside over a fire. This is called a barbecue.
Barbecue. Hot food cooked outside. It smells so good.
People invite their family and friends. You can say, we are having a barbecue for Independence Day.
We are having a barbecue. Let us practice that. Listen and repeat. We are having a barbecue. What kind of food do they eat at the barbecue or picnic?
In America, people eat hot dogs and hamburgers. In other countries, they eat special traditional foods, and there are always sweet treats.
Like cakes with the colors of the flag.
Exactly. Now, the day is almost over. The sun goes down, it gets dark outside. What happens next?
The best part, the fireworks.
Fireworks! These are the bright, loud lights that explode in the night sky.
Boom, crack. The sky turns red, blue, green, and gold. It is so beautiful.
Yes, fireworks are amazing. You can say, let us watch the fireworks tonight.
Let us watch the fireworks tonight.
Let us have our listeners practice this fun sentence. Listen and repeat. Let us watch the fireworks tonight.
Let us watch the fireworks tonight.
Very good. So we have the flag, the parade, the barbecue, and the fireworks.
It is a very busy day. People are very happy. They like to sing their country's special song, too.
Yes, a country's special song is called the national anthem.
National anthem. That is a big phrase. National means for the whole country. Anthem means song.
Correct. People stand up very tall. They put their hand on their heart and they sing the national anthem.
It shows love for their country.
Mateo, let us do a role play. Let us pretend it is Independence Day. We are talking about our plans for the day.
That is a great idea. This will help our listeners hear how to use these new words in a real conversation.
Listen carefully to how the conversation flows. I will be your friend, calling you on the phone. Ring, ring.
Hello, Mateo. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, Mia. How are you today?
I am great. The weather is beautiful. I am getting ready to wave the flag outside my house.
That is wonderful. I am calling to ask you a question. Would you like to watch the parade with me this morning?
Oh, yes. I would love to watch the parade. What time does it start?
It starts at 10 a.m. on Main Street. We can listen to the music and see the marchers.
Perfect. I will meet you there. What are you doing after the parade?
My family is having a barbecue in the park. Would you like to come and eat with us?
Yes, please. I am always hungry after a parade. What should I bring?
You do not need to bring anything. We have plenty of food. We have hamburgers and fresh fruit.
That sounds delicious. Thank you.
And tonight, let us watch the fireworks together. They start when it gets dark, around 9 p.m.
I cannot wait. The fireworks are my favorite part of Independence Day.
Me too. Okay, Mia, I will see you at the parade soon.
See you soon, Mateo. Bye.
Wow, Mia, that sounds like a very fun day.
It was a perfect day. A parade, a barbecue, and fireworks.
To our listeners, you can practice this role play at home. You can listen to it again and say the words with us.
Yes, practicing out loud is the best way to get better at speaking English.
Let us do a quick review of the magic phrases for today. This will help you remember them forever.
I love the review part. It makes my memory strong.
Phrase number 1, asking about the special date. When is your country's Independence Day?
When is your country's Independence Day?
Phrase number 2, holding the country's colors. I am going to wave the flag.
I am going to wave the flag.
Phrase number 3, asking someone to join an event. Would you like to watch the parade?
Would you like to watch the parade?
Phrase number 4, talking about eating outside. We are having a barbecue.
We are having a barbecue.
And phrase number 5, talking about the bright lights at night. Let us watch the fireworks tonight.
Let us watch the fireworks tonight.
You all did an amazing job today. Learning holiday words is very important because people love to talk about holidays.
Yes, it is a great way to make new friends in a new country. You can ask them how they celebrate.
Now, we want to hear from you. We love reading your comments, and writing is great practice.
Yes, tell us in the comments below, when is your country's Independence Day and what is your favorite thing to do on that day?
Do you like watching the parade, eating barbecue, or watching the fireworks?
Write your answer in the comments in English. We read every single one.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and you will learn excellent English very soon.
Bye, friends. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful, happy day.